Nice Life DIY home decor. So I just want to show you a little bit closer what my centerpiece is looking like. And yes, this is a blue Chinoiserie vase, and that was thrifted at the Goodwill. But let's start over here. This was thrifted also, so I absolutely love this. This was thrifted. I'm not sure of the price, but that was thrifted from the Goodwill. This is a Dollar Tree. The candle holders are from Dollar Tree, and so are the white candles. Now these bunnies right here, aren't they gorgeous? These gold bunnies, they came from Walmart. The greenery came from Walmart. Here's a little napkin rose. I just decided to place that there. The runner that you see here came from Hobby Lobby. The florals, these florals came from Michael's. So again, this was a thrifted vase. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for that blue and white vase. And then these runners in gold, they came, they were gifted to me. These were gifted to me. And then we have this rose box. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I have some Queen Anne's lace over here. This was from the Dollar Tree Plus section, believe it or not. Well worth it, because by the time you buy all the florals in the box and put it all together, it's going to cost you more than, I think I paid $3 for that. I'm not sure how much that was, 3 to 5. Either way, it would have cost you more to make. So, like I said, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I just wanted to give you a closer look of the items in the centerpiece. And look how gorgeous that looks. So now let's get started putting this beautiful tablescape together in Chinoiserie. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So this video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now always remember that as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now every time you click the like button and full watch a video, even share the video, this helps us to grow, and commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. Let's get to decorating this table, and I'll be in and out of the video. So the candles are lit. Now it's time to head on over to the reveal. So I think this table came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.